In today's video, we're reviewing 3 of the best PDF to Word apps for Android. If you frequently work with PDF files and need a reliable way to convert them into editable Word documents, these apps are just what you need. Let's dive in and see what each one has to offer. PDF to Word Converter app. PDF to Word Converter app is a straightforward and efficient tool for converting PDF documents into editable Word files. This app supports various PDF formats and ensures high-quality output to maintain the original layout, fonts, and images. Users simply upload a PDF file, and the app processes the conversion in a matter of minutes. With a user-friendly interface, the app makes it easy for anyone to perform conversions without needing extensive technical knowledge. Additionally, it offers options for saving converted documents directly to your device or sharing them via email or cloud storage. PDF Converter AI Convert Files. PDF Converter AI Convert Files is a versatile conversion app that utilizes AI technology to convert PDF files into a wide range of formats, including Word documents. The app is designed for easy use, allowing users to select files from their device or cloud storage and quickly initiate the conversion process. One of its standout features is the built-in OCR, optical character recognition capability, which enables users to convert scanned PDFs into editable text. This makes it ideal for users dealing with both standard and scanned documents. The app also supports batch conversions, making it convenient for those needing to convert multiple files at once. PDF Converter PDF to Word. PDF Converter PDF to Word is a comprehensive app designed specifically for converting PDF files into Word documents. It provides a simple and intuitive interface, allowing users to convert their files quickly and easily. This app emphasizes accuracy, ensuring that layouts and formatting remain intact after conversion. It also supports various languages, which is beneficial for users working with international documents. In addition to converting PDF to Word, the app offers options for converting to other file formats, such as Excel and PowerPoint, making it a versatile tool for document management. Thanks for watching our video on the best PDF to Word apps for Android. We hope these tools help you convert your documents easily and enhance your productivity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful content. See you next time.